Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to convert Word to PDF. So we currently have our file here on Microsoft Word and let's say we want to save it. And what we'll need to do is to go over to File, click on it, and this is going to be located at the top left corner, then go over to Save As. Select the location you'd like to save it, in our case this PC, and you can see it's currently under Documents. Now you have the file name to put in and the type of document. To change it to PDF, you just need to click on the drop down, select PDF, and then type in the name. We're going to say invoice for a company and then click on save. As you've saved it, it might automatically try to open this document on your PDF reader. In our case, we're using the web browser to open our PDF. And so currently you can see that we have our document as PDF. You can go over to your documents to locate the document which you saved from Microsoft Word and you'll see it right there, invoice for company as PDF. So this is how to convert Word to PDF.